to 25 data is there. That query is working fine. Next year, 2025-26 data that they will be capturing. So again, they're going and modifying the query to add one more line union. So the next table, next year table name. Again, 2027, again union. That means every year they're modifying the query.
Which
So
is a wrong practice.
yes.
It's a wrong practice.
Pardon?
It's a wrong practice.
So I suggested that this is not the way to work. Once you write the query, it should work for any year. You should not go on adding it. But they don't have the idea. Okay. So somehow I came up with a view example where write the view once and then modify certain things, and then so that you don't test the main query. So certain ideas I was giving them out of my experience. So in the same manner, now in the other area, like DevOps, I know every day they're getting stuck with some or the other issue. So I thought, why not we pitch in? I mean, for me, it's a knowledge. They want to gain knowledge by interacting with the people. So that is why I was keen to learn about DevOps.
Why not? Why not?
Mm.
So if that's the case, what we can do, rather than waiting, I mean, first we need to complete that.
Yeah, I will complete the entire. After completing, only we'll discuss about that.
No. I am just, let me complete. Rather than waiting means we will complete. If required, we can work on your this real thing without going deep into that. We will directly work on your real environment and real problem. Makes sense for you?
Okay.
Whatever problem you are facing, you are using AWS or this?
I think Azure.
Azure, that's why means I have attempted 2 times that Azure AG 400. So we can solve that problem, whatever problem you are facing. It's a real exposure and it's not frequently, am I right? So we can take that up.
Anyway, we will. I'll discuss with the team. Let's see how we can. But anyway, I'm also not showing that as if I know those certain things. I'm just keeping quiet. I'm just observing what all is happening every day.
No worries, it's totally up to you.
Yeah,
I am okay. Let's move to our today lecture.
Yeah.
And concept. So now is you started with this question, how you will decide means when we need to scale and when we don't need to scale, and when we need to go with the you can say this vertical scaling, when we need to go with the horizontal scaling.
Correct.
Makes sense.
Yes.
So, but before that, we need to understand. Let's take an example. Hey, let's say you are able to carry a weight of 10 kg.
Okay.
Till 10 kilometers.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Right.
So if someone say, hey, now you need to carry this weight. Means I had till 20 kilometers. Then there is a sacrifice, or you will, maybe you are able to do that, maybe you are not able to do that, but this thing is sure, there is a loss of performance, loss of productivity.
Yes.
Right.
Correct.
So for that, we need to, rather than thinking directly, is scalability thing. First, we need to understand what is our requirement, what is the underlying capacity of this system. Makes sense?
Yes.
Because if we don't have these measurement, how you can say that?
Yeah, correct.
So we require that.
Yes.
Okay. Today we will focus on this topic only.
Okay.
You can say this. You can discuss about this only. Okay. How we can do that.
Okay.
Just a minute. Okay. So, okay. So for that, as we discussed, first we need to know what is the latency, what is the, you can say, or you can say whatever load we will get.
Ah,
Am I right?
yes.
That should be there.
Hmm.
If it's not there, then how we can means decide?
Hmm.
It's a what means what weight you need to carry.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So it need to be there. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
So start with the load understanding.
Okay.
Before scaling,
Hmm.
you need to start
Ah.
and request per second
Ah. Request per second. Okay.
RPS.
Yes.
Okay. Latency response time,
Right.
CPU memory uses, and
Ah.
dashboard database load.
Load. Okay.
Makes sense.
Yes.
So if you have these parameters, then you can think about scalability.
Ah. Okay.
Because in a scalability, we need to think on in these terms. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
Let's say if you are saying, "Hey, I will means give you a you can say uh, bike,
Right.
bike with a 2cc engine, but I will provide you two bikes,
Ah. Right.
but your who will going to drive he is not fit."
Yeah. Correct.
Makes sense.
Yes.
Then it's a useless. You
Hmm.
understand my point?
Okay. 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 Okay.
So we before doing that we need to take care of the things, our system as well.
Right. Right.
Our system is capable. I mean to drive that powerful bike.
Hmm.
Means are we really require that?
Ah. Correct.
And person is really fit there
Hmm.
to ride that or not?
Correct.
Lot of question we need to consider.
Ah. Yes.
Make sense?
Yes. Correct.
Let's say you are giving a you can say this you are assuming means if I will increase the you can say server vertical,
Hmm.
if
Hmm.
you go with the vertical or horizontal scaling,
Ah.
makes sense.
Yes. Yeah. Correct.
But your database is not capable to do that.
Ah.
You don't have a provision in your code. Go for partitioning or this.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Correct.
And you can say your code is buggy. Then
Yeah.
what
Correct.
happened there?
Yes.
It's useless.
Useless. Correct.
So today we will discuss all these things.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine.
So first thing first, you
Ah.
need incoming traffic,
Ah.
major metrics,
Ah.
identify stress points.
Okay. Okay.
Make sense?
Ah. Right.
If you have a question, then you can go for answer.
Ah. 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 Ah.
Am I right?
Yes.
So never scale blindly.
Yeah. Definitely not.
Measure first.
Correct. How to measure? The next question. Now. Most important question. How to measure?
Okay.
Ah.
So decide vertically versus horizontally
Ah. Ah.
scaling. Okay.
Ah.
Start with vertically.
Right.
Means first you need to start with a thinking about a vertical scaling
Ah.
because it's a easy.
Yeah. Very easy. Yes.
Makes sense.
Yes.
And you can say optimize queries.
Hmm.
You need to go with the your internal system as
Hmm.
well.
Hmm.
Optimize queries.
Hmm.
Add more instances.
Instances. Right.
Distribute traffic.
Right.
Then you need to go with the horizontal. Okay. When you have a more traffic,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
you are in a demand.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Then you go with this.
Right. Right.
Server, one server, more CPU, more RAM.
Hmm. Hmm.
Horizontal scaling, server 1, load balancer, server 1, server 2. It depends upon a load,
Ah.
horizontal
Right.
scale.
Right.
Vertically first, horizontal for long-term scale.
Hmm.
Okay.
Deepak, one doubt. Now, when you say load balancer, That means it is a physical server. No, I'm adding more servers, right? I'm balancing the load among the different servers. So that's a physical system, physical server, right?
No, it's a tool.
Oh, it's a tool. Oh my God. Okay, okay. I was thinking it's a physical server. Okay.
No, it's a tool which will
Oh,
decide, which will check a condition. Hey, now I am getting this.
ah,
You can think of it's a gatekeeper. Okay,
okay,
it
okay,
will check 10 persons are already in this particular room. So
okay.
now I need to send next 10 into another room.
Oh,
Makes sense.
okay, 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 okay.
So now implement load distribution. How you will do that?
Mm.
So what do you think in the how load balancer will work?
Mm.
You need to try to answer this. How it will this tool will work.
Yeah, correct.
Try to answer.
Okay, I mean, for example, let us say now I get 1 million requests per second. I know definitely my existing hardware or systems cannot handle that. So what I do, I split that load among say 3 to 4 servers, so that the instead of entire, I mean, one server taking the entire load, I split it across a few other servers, so that my performance is maintained. With the analogy of the restaurant, like let's say one cook is now serving to 100 people, but now it's 1,000 people are there. So instead of having only one cook, what I do is I give them some support, whereby another 3 to 4 cooks I add in this team, and then they take the load and then do various tasks. So thereby the main cook's role, I mean load, comes down, so that he is able to maintain the consistency what he was doing for 100 people. The same consistency is maintained for the other 1,000 people also. In this way, it is balanced. The load of his or the system, it is balanced.
Yes, you can think of there is a, as I earlier discussed, there is a gatekeeper who
Get
will who
he
will
will
decide, hey, this is
decide.
already full.
Ah, ah,
Then next is open. Now I need to transfer or
ah.
redirect
Right,
the low means the traffic to that
right,
particular
right.
room or hall, whatever is there. Am I right?
Yeah, right.
So implement load distribution.
Yeah,
Add a
correct.
load balancer in front of services.
Ah.
Between in front of services.
Right.
So gate.
Gate. Okay.
Makes sense. So API instance and for that to make a load means distribute this load. I think
Ah,
so. We don't require another another house. Am I
mm,
right?
mm, mm.
Another restaurant.
Right,
Makes sense.
right.
We require gatekeeper.
Gatekeeper.
Earlier, whatever you're thinking, you are thinking another house will be required to do
Yes,
that.
yes.
No, not other. No, there is a tool is required. Which
Okay,
will
okay,
or
okay,
person is required which will take care of this.
okay.
So, any question or concern?
No, okay. For now, I'm able to get it.
So, round robin, least connection,
Ah,
IP hash.
okay.
These are the algorithm which we use to take
Uh-huh.
this decision.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, load balancer use these algorithm.
Okay.
What you understand from algorithm?
It is steps, like step-by-step instructions for a task to be performed, or a way to perform a task.
Okay. So why means we focus on this algorithms? Why means we will say, hey, you need to know those data structure and algorithm. Yes, it's a way, but they are proven ways or not. So I need to understand that from you.
See, I mean, for example, different analogy I'll give. Let's say we have a restaurant in, say, Bangalore MG Road. Now, a newcomer to the city wants to come to a restaurant. So initially, let's say he doesn't know the city very well. So he depends on people to guide him and then come to the place. So what he does is, let's say now he arrives, but later we found out that he has taken a very long route instead of a other route. Then slowly he understands that, oh, okay, there is a better route for me to reach this place early. So now he changes his strategy. So that means to reach our restaurant, he found a route which will bring him to the place quickly. So these are the like the steps to arrive at the restaurant. He took a different approach uh, and then reached the restaurant early. This is one analogy. Maybe it is not that fully correct. 1 minute. So
Take your time. So
yeah.
take your time.
Uh, okay. Mm, okay. Simple in a simple algorithm. Uh, Okay, now let us say we want to add, we have three numbers, not three numbers, we have data in say two variables. Now I need to add add those two variable values and put it in a third variable. So mentally, we may say, for example, A plus B equals to C, but to the computer, how do I instruct it what it has to do? So I write the instructions, which is nothing but, for example, in high level language, what I do, whatever, or take example of calculator, user types in two numbers, then he types an operator, maybe the plus operator or minus operator, some operator he presses, then I want to show the result. So this is my calculator. Now, internally, how it is programmed. So whenever the user presses, for example, the first number, then that gets stored. It is stored in a registry, either in a register or in a variable. Then it expects another operation. Yeah, then the other operation, for example, the operator. For example, he wants to do some addition. So he will give a plus symbol. Now that I again record somewhere. Okay, so he has clicked the plus button. That's I store it. Then I expect another number plus something. He now enters a number. That also stored another variable. Finally, when he clicks on equals to symbol, now I know, okay, he has given three inputs, two variables and one operator data. So now I should write a logic such that he has given addition. So I should add those two values which are stored in the variable. Then I need to store the result also in another variable and display to the user. So these are the steps I follow to bring the result out of the plus operator where the input was two numbers. So these are the steps. These steps are called the algorithm.
In a normal way, we can say, hey, this is a, you can say, a recipe for to cook a book,
Cook-
which is already tried by someone.
okay, right, right, right.
Am I right? These
Yes,
are the steps which you need to follow.
yes,
Simple.
correct.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, then you are asking about these things. How, who will take care of this?
Ah,
These tools, NGX and this
oh, oh,
approximate.
oh, oh,
Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
Traffic must be
Even
evenly distributed,
not
not
random.
randomly.
Correct. Yes, yes, perfectly agreed. Yes.
So identify bottleneck. As I
Most
told
important.
you,
Very, very important. Yes.
yes, bottleneck, because means you have an option
Yes.
to get a power,
Mm, mm,
and you can say you will hire a new person.
mm, mm,
But before that, you need to know your
mm.
capability there.
Yeah, correct.
Makes sense. So
Yes.
that's a called identify bottleneck.
Mm, mm, mm.
Okay.
Right.
So like slow API, slow API endpoints,
Mm,
high DB latency, queue blocking,
mm.
CPU spikes.
Spikes.
These are the, you can say, indicators. With the
Okay.
help of that, you can check
Okay. Okay.
bottlenecks. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So here user API database slow bottleneck.
Mm.
Example, order service fast, but DB writes slow.
Slow. Yes.
DB is a bottleneck, not API.
Right.
Scaling non-bottleneck, wasted efforts.
Yeah, correct.
And you can think of, means I am suffering with you can say fever,
Ah,
and without knowing you can say your without me doctor without examining
mm,
without examine,
mm.
to me he is just giving a medicine
Right.
without asking me what is my problem, why I am visited there.
Mm,
So what do you think, it will work?
mm.
It will work for us or not?
No, it won't.
So
Uh,
same thing with this.
yes. Okay.
Scale bottleneck first.
First, correct.
If
Right.
bottleneck, if bottleneck is
Right.
database, add
Ah,
indexing,
yes. One of the
and
techniques.
read replica,
Ah,
partition data.
data. All right.
Makes sense.
Right.
If it's a API, add more instances,
Mm.
optimize code.
Okay.
If queue,
Mm.
then increase consumer.
Okay.
Makes sense. So that
Right.
it will means free early and able to take the next item.
Ah, okay.
So you can think of pipe is already filled,
Mm.
and you are not means you close that you can say whatever is input is means input is there, but
Mm.
output is you can say not as per input.
Okay.
Makes sense. So
Right.
you need to make a balance
Right.
so that it can be work continuous. So increase consumer.
Okay. In that case, here one small doubt I have. Now you are given three things: DB, API, and queue.
Yes.
Now, among these three, like okay, typical developer or a person with little knowledge, how will you know API is causing the problem, queues are causing the problem, or DB, like I have more orders are coming, but DB is not able to take that input and perform its work. So now I'm also in a typical boat only now. Yes, I know these things are developed, but I don't know where it is stuck. What should I scale so that the performance of the application improves is a big question for me.
So basically for that, let's say you have a three worker in your
Ah,
company,
ah,
database, API, and queue.
ah,
And am I right?
ah,
And if you need to know that how they are performing, then you need to you can say examine one
or,
by one.
yes, correct.
Makes sense. And
Yes.
based on some parameters.
Ah,
Okay, these are the parameters for
ah,
database.
ah,
Based
ah,
on that,
ah.
if this is a query
Mm,
and I'm expecting this will get resolved or give
mm,
me a result in this time.
mm.
If it's not doing that, that
Mm.
means problem with the database.
Database.
Am I right? If
Okay.
database is working fine,
Mm,
but your API is taking time
mm,
due to any reason, due to any you can say logic, maybe logic is wrong.
mm,
Okay, maybe you can say validation is too much.
mm,
Makes sense.
mm.
So you need to identify that as well. How you will identify when you have a matrix of database?
Oh, metrics. Okay. Now we should talk about metrics. Okay. Because as you told, no, this here only we have two things. One is we are doubting the API. Other one we are doubting the DB. But for me to be very clear, no, this API is the problem. No, DB is the problem. To come to that conclusion, what are the tools and metrics available for me to take a decision based on that is the question.
That's why I'm saying, let's
Okay.
say three-person are working.
3 hour working individually. I have to observe, I have to measure, monitor. Then only I
Yes,
come to know who is.
and yes,
Okay.
there is a bottleneck.
Okay, 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 okay,
If
okay.
you are just seeing on a whole system, then you are not able to identify. You need
Ah,
to go by unit.
ah,
Apart from API, if you say, hey, API is a problem,
ah,
how
ah,
you will identify?
ah.
Maybe this is a network problem.
Yeah, yeah. Network also maybe the cause for the problem. Yes, correct. Yes,
Makes sense.
yes.
So whatever server you are using, maybe that's a latency problem. So
Ah,
you need to analyze
and ah,
each and every component.
yeah. Okay.
Then you can able to, let's say your database is fine and
Hmm.
it's returning, it's performing as per the expectation.
Ah, ah, ah,
But your API
ah.
means developed via without any, you can say not without, they are not following any rules, standard rules or algorithms, or
Hmm.
you can say pattern, design pattern.
Hmm. Hmm.
Am I right?
Yeah.
So, and they are taking too much time.
Hmm. Hmm.
Makes sense.
Yes.
So then they are not managing the memory thing.
Right.
So, so we cannot blame a database. We need to analyze
Okay.
against a matrix.
Ah,
Without
but
matrix, you cannot take a decision.
yeah.
There is a bottleneck or not.
Earlier you had online. Now blindly we cannot take a call on that.
You understand? Now you hope you are able to. I'm able to answer your question.
Yeah. Right. 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 Right.
Makes sense. Now in this manner, you will get a clarity.
Ah. 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 Ah.
Am I right?
Right. Right. Right.
So it's not about means we need to go with the metrics for a whole system. We need to measure the metric. We have a something with us.
Okay.
With the help of that, we can measure each and every component.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Fix or scale the slowest component first.
First. Yeah. Right. 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 Right.
Enable independent scaling. When you go for independent scaling,
Hmm. Hmm.
split system into components, which we discuss in more
All four. Okay.
from, then scale each independently.
Independently. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Now we will distribute the responsibility and divide our system.
Hmm.
Now
Hmm.
we can individually increase or decrease.
Ah.
Because let's say right now you cannot think, hey, to increase, everyone require the same amount of power.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Right.
Maybe someone require more power, but we are
Hmm.
saying, hey, you this is a company rule. It will
Hmm.
provide the same power.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
I think so. It's not applicable. Am I right?
Yeah. Correct. Yes.
So deviations are there. So why,
Hmm.
if you will ignoring the deviation means you are not doing the right thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yes. Correct.
So that's why I'm saying you need to identify the component.
Hmm.
Where is a bottleneck?
Ah. Okay.
So you can see Mino service read heavy,
Ah. Right. Read heavy. Yes.
order service medium,
Hmm.
payment service control
Control.
critical.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
So here you are able to see it's require a consistency rather than speed.
Ah. Yes.
It's
Correct.
required speed.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
It's required in between hybrid
Hmm.
medium. Am I right?
Right. Right. Right.
So load balancer, you can say this Mino service 10 times faster.
Okay.
Order 5x. Am I
Right.
right? And
Right.
2x.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Now you understand?
Yeah. Okay.
If you will give this power 10x, but
Hmm.
it's require only 2x.
Ah.
And it's require if you give us musically divide the power.
Hmm.
But they are no, they don't require.
Hmm. Correct.
Scale based on a demand, not uniformly.
Okay.
How you understand?
Ah, yes. 1 minute. Scale based on, yeah, correct. Based on demand only, not uniformity. Uniformly, correct. Yes.
So because it's a wastage,
Wastage, yeah, yeah. Wastage only, yes.
use cache to reduce load.
Okay.
Place cache before DP,
Maybe, yes,
which
correct.
we discussed earlier. Am I
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
reduce DB load,
Yeah, correct.
improve latency, improve scalability. Tool Redis.
Oh, Redis is a tool. Huh? Okay, 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 okay.
Rules cache frequently accessed data only.
Right, right.
If you are caching a data which is not viewed frequently, which is
Ah,
not in a demand, what is
okay,
the use of that?
okay, okay.
Okay.
Right, right.
Handle traffic spikes, auto
Yes.
scaling.
Mm.
You can say use auto scaling rules.
Mm.
If this add instance is less than this, remove instance.
Okay.
So traffic increase, CPU high, add instances.
Mm.
AWS auto scaling, Azure VM scales up.
Mm.
Okay.
Right.
Scale automatically, not manually.
Mm.
It should be automatically,
Ah,
not manually.
okay, okay.
Plan capacity before failure.
Mm.
How? Estimate peak traffic, growth rate, system limit.
Limits.
Okay.
Right.
When there is a peak growth rate,
Mm.
is without analytics thing you cannot
We
predict.
cannot take any call on this. Yes.
So example, current 1K user,
Ah,
expected 10K user.
10K.
Prepare infra in advance.
Right.
Always scale before breaking point.
1 minute. Always scale. Yes. Before breaking point. Correct. Yes.
End-to-end scaling architecture. User, load balancer, API layer,
Cache.
cache, queue,
Huge and
database.
DB. Okay. Okay.
Load balancer, distribute traffic, cache, reduce load.
Okay.
Queue handle async work, DB scaled separately.
Separately. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Right.
Common scaling mistake. Scaling everything,
Ah.
ignoring
Okay.
bottlenecks,
No monitoring. Okay. No
no
monitoring.
monitoring,
No
no
caching.
caching,
Tight coupling. Yes. Manual.
manual scaling.
Okay. Okay.
Golden scaling process.
Yeah. Measure the load. Find the bottleneck. Optimize first. Scale the component. Then monitor again. Yes.
Agree?
Yes. Very much.
Now this is a mental model.
Okay. Measure, identify, optimize, scale, and repeat. Correct. Again, measure, optimize, measure, identify, optimize, scale. Right. Okay, fine. Then one line summary. Scalability is not about adding servers. Right? It's not. It's about scaling the right part at the right time. Correct. Okay. Fine. Now, in that case, anyway, now I understood. Yes, Deepak, the gist is quite nicely prepared. Now, coming back to our online boutique, um, is there a way for me to simulate things? For example, I don't know. After, for example, now let's say now 10 users are there, everything's working fine. Now, after down the line, after 1 year or 2 years, let us say I expect around at least 100K users. Now, instead of waiting for 100K users to come into my register and then feel the performance or me taking some steps to improve the performance, now only is there a way for me to simulate 100K users logging at the same time, placing orders, doing some payments? Is there a way to do all that?
Why not?
Oh,
For that, let's say simulation, you have a tools like means there is a term called performance testing, load testing. Am I right?
uh, ah,
So those comes in a picture.
okay, okay.
Makes sense.
Ah,
In that case, you will put a load
ah,
on your system,
yeah.
and it will tell you means your system is able to bear that load or not.
Uh-huh.
Am I right?
Right.
And performance means you're performing as expected or not.
Uh,
So every term is there, and tools are available to check that.
oh,
Makes
okay.
sense.
Okay, 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 okay.
But you are not aware. That's reasons you are asking this kind of question. But tools are there.
Oh, no, because see, till now, I have not come across those tools, and also, I have not faced the severe crunch of resources or someone complaining. Yes, people have complained your system is becoming slow. So what I have done at the most, I have tweaked the query. Maybe in one or two instances, I told them, see, RAM is only 8 GB. You go for double the RAM, make it 16 GB or 32 GB. This will improve in this way only. But I didn't know any tool to measure it, then compare it. For example, with 8 GB RAM, what is the performance? With 16 GB, what is the those I have not done. So that's why now anyway, I'm very keen to know all those things. So I'm asking these questions.
No
Uh,
worries.
okay,
Anytime. Anytime.
okay. That's what.
Questions
So,
are welcome.
ha. So anyway, like in the next few classes, please accommodate those tools also. Let us see how those tools works if possible, so that I'll be more confident in answering the questions.
Check this.
Okay, performance and latency. Okay, considerations. Okay.
It's there.
Okay.
Reliability and fault tolerance.
Tolerance. Okay.
System interfaces and API design.
Ah,
You understand?
okay. Because during design time only, I should think of all these things. I should not think after everything is done. See, at least now I want to change my thinking. We should,
Definitely, you need to come with a reasoning.
ha,
Reasoning, and first you need to analyze by yourself
ha.
in a normal way.
Okay.
Just come with the practice only.
Practice, yeah, that's what.
Makes sense.
Yes.
You need to come up with the whatever you are learning. You need to live. You
Hmm.
need to live
Hmm.
in that manner
Ah,
and reasoning.
ah.
Then it will come into a practice. Otherwise, it will not gonna work for you.
Yeah, correct. No,
Makes sense.
correct. That's what now there's a shift in my thinking also. So earlier, okay, just blindly I was doing, but now I myself am putting a lot of questions, and then no, so that means my thinking is changing now slowly. Yes, maybe down the line I'll be better off compared to what I was now, and in the future I'll be better off. So at least my thinking is slightly changed now.
Means whatever question you have, just note. I will suggest you just note down.
Okay.
First, note down
Okay.
somewhere. Okay.
Okay.
Because we are, as a human being, we have
Mm.
a limited memory.
Correct.
Am I right?
Right.
If we cannot store
Mm,
in
mm,
lot of things, but
mm, mm,
you can prepare a note for you.
mm.
Makes sense.
Okay.
So that whenever you require, you can revisit those
Uh-huh.
notes.
Right. Correct.
So I will suggest you whatever question you have, every question is valid.
Uh-huh.
And whatever tool you are asking, you can check with the Google. Take a help from Google, AI, whatever.
Okay.
But means make this practice.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Right.
So that you will become independent,
Yeah. Correct.
which is the ultimate goal.
Yeah. Correct.
Makes sense. A
Right.
training is ultimate goal to become an independent.
Right.
You understand my point?
Yes, Deepak. Yes, I got the point.
Right now you are saying, hey, I don't know that tool. I
Mm.
need to know from you. Why, man? You can go ahead
Okay.
and ask from you can say this AI or Google.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my problem. What is the solution? How other people are doing that?
Okay.
Gradually means you will able to understand and your knowledge will be vast there.
Yes.
You understand my point?
Right.
Everything is with you,
Okay.
and you are curious. I am happy you are curious. Then don't wait. Means I need to ask this question from Deepak. No,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
you will check and
Mm-hmm.
come up to me. Hey, Deepak, I'm not able to understand. I take the
Mm-hmm.
help from this, but not able to understand. Then I can help.
Right.
And in this manner, I will also learn from you as well,
Right. Right.
Sridhar.
Right. Right. Okay.
We can work in a means double power.
Right. Right. Right.
Am I right?
Right. Right. Right.
Okay. So now we're done today with the in advance.
Ah. Ah.
Mm, okay, do we need to do something? We need to take other thing which
Hmm.
you want, or we can wind up this topic today class. It's
Ah.
your call.
No, I think now because now you have put a lot of stuff here. So now for it's for me to now explore more on all these things, Deepak. Okay, because see, other things I was doing it all normal, okay, but now only certain questions are triggering in me because you forced me to think of a project. Then you asked me to design the project. All that you did. Now the questions are arising, but when we come to performance topic, now suddenly one questions came to me. Generally, we never think of all this. So now practically, I am thinking, yes, today it is 10 users, tomorrow 100, then after 1 year it will be 100K users. So generally we don't think of all this during design time, because what I learned is during design time itself you should take care of all these things so that later you do not spend too much time after the problem is faced. You should not think of a solution. While designing system is right from day one only, those things should be thought of and well planned ahead. That is
Definitely.
that is the true talent of a good architect or a good developer. You should not think postmortem. You should not do a postmortem. At least after this many years of experience, I should never think of a postmortem. I should always think pre. Oh, okay, okay, this may happen. Okay, I know how do I take care of this in future, so that it doesn't affect my. So all these thoughts are coming now because you are taking the things in a step by step manner. So that is why these questions are coming up. And also, yes, as you told, Google is there, AI is there, but still, your experience matters.
No,
Certain things, no, we won't get by books. It only by experience.
that's
I,
fine. I am there. I am
uh,
saying at least you have a basic idea there.
yes, correct, right, right, right.
At least you have a ready to grab this
Correct, correct.
rather than just come with a you can say question only.
Ah, ah,
If you will do some homework at
ah,
your end, it
ah,
will become a practice for you.
correct. Now I want to
Uh,
do that from now onwards. Yes.
You understand my point?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
am not saying means this will, but in this manner you will develop this habit.
Hmm.
And first, asking a question or doing anything, you
Hmm.
will do your homework.
Okay, 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 okay.
Make sense?
Okay, okay.
So that you can also analyze
Ah,
that person.
ah.
Maybe that person is not telling the right thing
Mm.
because whatever they did and
Mm.
whatever they experienced,
Ah.
they, they can also be wrong.
Mm.
But in that case, because you are coming from a zero knowledge,
Yes,
am I
yes,
right?
correct.
So
Yes.
everything is you are believing or you are trusting on that person, relying on
Yes.
that person totally.
Yeah, correct.
But each and everything have a you can say, let's say, I will keep I will keep one. I will show you one glass. It's
Ah,
a half filled with the water.
ah.
So if we ask means 10%, what we are able to see, everyone have their own opinion.
Own views, correct. Yes, yes,
Makes sense.
yes.
It's influenced by their bias experience thing. Makes sense. But
Mm.
apart from that, other things can be there.
Mm.
That's why if you come up with your homework,
Mm.
maybe you will help me to enhance my experience and knowledge base as
Ah,
well.
okay.
You understand why I'm encouraging you. You will come up and do
Mm.
your homework.
Mm.
Makes sense. So
Right,
that
right.
I can also learn from you.
Right, 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 right.
Hope you are agree with me.
Agree, I totally agree. So that means now I will revisit my online boutique design, because I one point very is, I mean, it's very very clear in my mind that while designing itself, you have to take care of many other things with reference to performance. So now my shift in thinking will definitely help me in my career, is what I'm thinking.
Yes, but you need to live. You need to do. You need to do a practice.
Practice, yes, 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 yes.
Otherwise, what happened if you means right now you will doing a practice
Hmm.
and you will feel confident.
Ah,
Hey, I can do that.
ah, ah.
But if you leave that practice,
Hmm, 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 hmm.
then you will forget
Mm,
everything.
No, no, no. I think it is now seeping into my thinking that instead of just doing just a general job, we have to think more and see how we can evolve in a better way, rather than what I was doing for years together should not be the same thing now. It should be different. I should add value now.
Yes, as I told you,
Hmm.
just don't think about job only.
Ah,
Think
yeah, yeah.
other possibility as well.
Yes, yes, yes,
Let's
yes.
say in a job you will have a limited scope.
Limited scope, correct.
And if you want to explore this kind of things, then you have a unlimited scope and
Ah.
everything should be in your control.
Mm.
If you want to eat, you can say idli, then
Mm,
or paratha, you
mm,
can take that up.
mm.
But in a job, you have a if your boss is saying you need to eat paratha only,
Yes.
even though you like idli, you cannot.
Yeah, correct.
Everything has a pros and cons.
Yes, yes,
Am
correct.
I right?
Correct, correct.
That's why I am saying means you need to decide how you will do that.
Correct. Okay.
Let me stop the recording
Right.
first.